सभी को स्वागत किया है मेरे चैनल को। और आज आप लोगों के साथ बात करेंगे अभी आप लोगों जो शेयर मार्केट न्यूज़ के बारे में, लेटेस्ट न्यूज़ के बारे में। और पहले आप लोगों को बताऊंगा एक लेटेस्ट न्यूज़ जो अभी अभी आ रहा है। और मार्केट कैपिटलाइजेशन of 7 of top 10 most values firm surged by 96,201 crore, RIL Bajaj Finance biggest gainer। आप लोगों ने देखा within the list of top 10 companies by valuation, Reliance Industry, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, State Bank of India, Infosys, Bajaj Finance and Hindustan Unilever registered increase in their market worth। और एक लेटेस्ट न्यूज़ आया है मार्केट से। 15,350% रैली इन 5 years। मल्टी-बैगर स्टॉक टू बी फोकस ऑन मंडे, हेयर्स व्हाई। आप लोगों ने देखा जो हुजूर मल्टी प्रोजेक्ट शेयर प्राइस विल रिमेन इन फोकस इन मंडे ट्रेडिंग session after the board approved the allotment of equal shares consequent to the conservation of warrants of the company on November 29. All small cap multi-bagger stock share price will remain in focus. Share price will remain in focus in Monday's trading session after the board approved the allotment of equity shares consequent to the conservation of warrants of the companies on November 29. आप लोगों ने देखा in a exchange filing the November 29, the small cap company informed the exchange that the board approved the allotment of 13,20,000 equity shares having a face value of 1 at an issue price of 30, consequent upon the conservation of 1,32,000 warrants issued at an issue price of 300। आप लोगों ने देखा स्टॉक मार्केट हॉलीडेज NSE BSE to remain closed on Thursday in December 2024। Check full list here। Check full list here। Stock market holiday according to official NSE holiday calendar, market will observe only one trading holiday in the month of December apart from usual week offs, means that the Indian stock market will remain closed by 9 days next month। आप लोगों ने देखा और December 25 क्रिसमस, December 6, 13, 20, 27 सैटरडे एंड December 7, 14, 21, 28 संडे। आप लोगों ने देखा और Q2 GDP data expert see gap up open from Indian stock market on Monday, peak this 15 stock to buy। आप लोगों ने देखा Q2 GDP data experts see gap up opening from Indian stock market on Monday, peak this 15 stock to buy। और आप लोगों ने देखा gold price in India 27,700 away for a record high, will it climb to new peak of an year's feet rate cut bust weak US dollar। Gold rate today following high bids on the US Fed rate cut, gold price in India and other global buyers witnessed strong buying interest last week. The enabled MEX gold rates to finish higher on the fourth straight month. Gold featured contracts on the multi-company exchange for the February 2026 expiry finished 1,932 or 1.5% higher at 1,20,599 per 10 gram on Friday, around 2,700 away for it is a record high of 1,32,294 per 10 gram, which it had climbed on 17 October 2025. According to the commodity market expert, the gold rate today is on the uptrend across global bourse as the probability of a 20 bps rate cut in the US Fed meeting next month has gone up to the 87%. They say that's failing US dollar rate to political uncertainty caused by the Donald Trump administration are also lending support to the gold price rally. आप लोगों ने देखा जो स्टॉक मार्केट का लेटेस्ट न्यूज़ स्टॉक मार्केट रिटर्न्स आप लोगों ने देखा स्टॉक मार्केट रिटर्न्स द 5 stock shares up to 54% last week. How many of these you own? Stock market return. The Indian stock market indices ended flat and as investor expressed caution ahead of the Q2 GDP data released on Friday from GSW Holding to the best AgroLife. These five stocks give investor up to 54% return over the last five market sessions. Indian stock market, these five penny stock give up to 84% return in a week. Do you own any? आप लोगों ने देखा जो इंडियन स्टॉक मार्केट ने दिस 5 penny stock give up to 84% return in a week. The Indian stock market ended the week with gain, but retail investors are experiencing losses despite record high or indecision prevailed as GDP data loom at while large caps lead the rally. These five penny stocks show up 84% gain. Sensex Nifty 50 and flat ahead of Q2 GDP data. 20 key highlight from the Indian stock market today. The Indian stock market ended flat on Friday, November 28, as profit booking at higher level and caution ahead of the release of Q2 GDP data weightage on statement while mixed global cues offered the supported. The Sensex closed 14 points or 0.02% lower at 85,706.67 while the Nifty 50 settled at 26,202.95 down on 13 points or 0.05%. The BSE mid-cap and small-cap indices slipped by 0.04% and 0.30% respectively. Shares of HDFC Bank, Bharti Airtel and Infosys were among the top drags on the Sensex, while these are the Mahindra, SBI and Kotak Mahindra Bank were among the top supported for the index. On a weekly basis, the benchmark logged their third consecutive week of gain, raising the around half percent. Puma stock surged 70% as China's Sport look to acquire from the retail share. Puma stock price jumps more than 70% during the intraday trading session on 27 November 2025 after a market burst on a potential takeover by Chinese gained Sport product. The company is in the talk with a financial advisor for a bid on the German shoemaker. Stock market news. Puma SE stock price in Germany. Extra exchange jumps more than 70% during the intraday trading sessions on Thursday 27 November 2025. After a market After a market bust on a potential takeover by Chinese gained Enta Sports product.